The health department has confirmed that electricity has been restored at the Inkosi Albert Luthuli Hospital since Thursday morning. It's understood that the facility had been running on generators since Monday. Several patients were sent home as some units at the hospital were not functioning. The eThekwini municipality issued a statement saying clinics at Hambanati, north of Durban, and Craigburn on the south coast have been temporarily closed because of the strike. Unions say the power failure crippled critical services at the hospital, with some surgeries having to be cancelled. Critical patients were diverted to other hospitals.
Out of 16 theatres, only 4 were functional because the generator could only supply the ICUs. The kitchen were affected. The resident, the doctors, the nurses that stay in the resident, they did not have any light for 72 hours. So it has affected their food in the fridge. So those were the challenges that we're experiencing. So you can't operate because most of the wards were affected. You can't operate in dark.
What were briefed by our shop steward that they were also transferred in nearby hospitals. You remember that some of the functions that are done here at Inkosi, some of them you can find them at King Edward, because King Edward is also a tertiary hospital, which means that there's a high level of specialists that are also situated there.
The eThekwini municipality says striking employees entered the Hambanati and Craigburn clinics and removed patients and healthcare workers. Water, refuse, healthcare and electricity supply in areas across the city have been impacted for over a week now. 13 employees who were arrested appeared at the Durban Magistrate Court earlier this week.
I think we've got the police in this country, we've got the soldiers in this country that they can help and escort, especially the water tanks, to come and escort to bring water to the people, because how people they're going to survive, it's so terrible. You staying in the house, there is nothing even to drink.
We walked from Sheula and came here to Hambanati. It's disheartening that we come here and it's closed because what we came here to do is important. Our appointments were last week, but because of the strike, we turned. And we came today hoping it was going to be open, but it's closed.
The municipality has served 79 employees with notices of misconduct. They've been given 10 days to make submissions on why they should not be dismissed. I'm Nonhlani Pumakwaza for SABC News in Durban.